Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today just tidying up the last few bits on the ZX6R, a few last bits to do, like fitting the new levers just to make it look that bit nicer, make sure the fairings fitted correctly, the front mud guard, got to sort that out as well, and then yeah, getting it all ready for ready to sell really. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Right, unfortunately I stripped, well, the head came off this bolt, so I need to try and get it out. So that's one of the joyous finishing jobs. Just have to take the side covers off again. You can see to get this piece in here, you need to have this off. I didn't think about that, so small error. So yeah, don't forget to put this in first. There's up here, and there's 3 clips underneath to do it. Same on the other side. So yeah, just as a heads up. Replace the levers, these ones, just so not much. Just finally back together. So after a fair few months worth of work, primarily waiting for bits of fairing, it's job done. I decided to leave the tank the silver colour because it matched nicely with the engine covers down below there. So let us know in the comments what you guys think, whether I should actually respray it green. I think it works really well with the black and the green, and then the engine colour parts. But yeah, so all back together. The only thing I've got to sort out is the strip bolt on this side, which you can see is missing at the moment on there. That's the only thing. So just here, if I point it out, just there, that's the only thing that went wrong really. So got to get that drilled out and possibly helicoiled. It doesn't really hold much. The mudguard, ironically, is actually pretty sound as it is. It's not going anywhere, but just for aesthetics and for peace of mind, I'll get that done. So yeah, that's the last little bit that I've got to do. But yeah, the project's gone really well. Give it a bit of a fire up. So it's sounding pretty also changed the oil, so it's had fresh oil and coolant flush and new coolant as part of doing it up. So just wasn't 100% sure about the service history and everything else, so just to be super safe, did that as well. So, and then obviously new oil filter, as you can see down there. Yeah, looking awesome. Hey guys, just want to say thanks for watching, greatly appreciated. Just wanted to also give you guys a bit of a summary. It's a kind of usual question: how much did it all cost? Was it all worth it? Yeah, to be honest, absolutely loved doing the project, rebuilding the bike. It wasn't a major technical rebuild as the first kind of go at it. You know, I wanted to keep it quite simple, so I went for a bike that wasn't completely smashed to pieces. Here in the UK, obviously once it gets to a certain point, you get structural damage, the bike's truly written off and you can't put it back on the road. So I had to find a bit of a balancing point between all of that. But the bike itself was £2,100 and change. The fairing was the best part, £500, and then I had loads of other parts, you know, foot rests, 40 odd pounds. Headlight unit was the best part, £200. You know, mirror set, the actual air duct was not close enough to £150. Brake levers, and then I think things like, you know, simple stuff like oil filters, the exhaust, that was the best part, 260 odd pounds. So loads of little bits. Servo eliminator for the exhaust, that was the best part of £40. So I've got a big old list. Cut long story short, comes to just over £3,500, £3,570. So yeah, was it worth it? Absolutely. You know, I got a bike there, completely rebuilt. I know every part of it. You know, for the best part of £3,500, I got a bike there with 10,000 miles. Was it a higher mileage bike? No. Yeah, it wouldn't have been worth it. Sure, I could probably find a bike on eBay or Auto Trader for less money, but higher mileage. You know, really good project. So yeah, definitely worth doing, and just something to get away from the desk job. So that's been the main thing about it. That it's been really good fun. So hopefully you guys all fancy having a go at it too. Yeah, see you in the next one, hopefully.